Hello everyone. Take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Now, after tying it, repeat the process. Join the hairs in the back in the same manner as shown in the video. Now tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between like this. Now fold the hairs and then pull out the hairs from the sides. Now fix the hairs again, dividing it like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and divide them into two parts. Now pull out the hairs from the sides like this. Now make the plaits on each section of the hairs. Repeat the process for few more times and then make the plaits on the other side as well. Now we will fold them upward and fix it like this on the alternative sides. Fold it like this using the hairpins, fix it. Next, take the hairs on the back and then rotate the hairs. After tying it, pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video. Now after pulling it from the other sides, we will repeat the process. We will tie the hairs on the back, rotate it and pull out the hairs from the sides like this. After rotating it, again repeat the process for one more time. Now repeat the process and then we will tie all the hairs together like this at the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs together, divide the hairs into two parts and then divide it from the between. Now rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix them together like this and fold it upward. Put the hairpins like this, tie the hairs by rotating it like this and fold it upward and fix it like this. Fold the hairs and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will tie the hairs again on the back and then again rotate it like this. After rotating it, fix the hairs for few more times in the same manner as shown in the video. Repeat the process for few more times. Now divide the hairs like this and make the plaits by joining them in the between like this. Divide the hairs into four parts and make the plaits by joining them. Take it till the end and fix the hairs as shown in the video. Tie the hairs from the sides like this on the back and join it on the right side and then rotate it. Repeat the process. Now at the end we will make the plaits on the hairs, fold it upward and fix it. Next, take the hairs and then roll them together like this. Now take it to the right side and fix it by tying with the small section of the hairs on the right side. Repeat the process and then we will follow the same process and we will tie this time at the left side of the hairs like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie half of the hairs like this and make the plaits on it. Make the plaits carefully as shown in the video. Now join the hairs together from both the sides and then fix them into each other. Roll the hairs together like this and then fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it by folding it using a hair clutch and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs like this by dividing them into three parts and then rotate it. Now join them together by making the plaits like this. Now pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit. Now after that, fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs like this and tie it on the back. Now after that, tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between, fold it upward like this and fix it using the hair clutch and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.